In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Lili Mobile app with this easy to follow step-by-step installation guide. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or simply someone interested in managing your finances with ease, Lili Bank can be a great tool to have on your phone. So let's get started on how you can quickly and efficiently install the app on your mobile device. First, grab your mobile device and locate the application store. If you're using an Apple device, you'll want to open the App Store. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. Both stores have a very similar layout, so don't worry about any major differences. Once you have the App Store open, you'll notice a search bar either at the top or towards the middle of your screen. This is where the magic begins. Now, in that search bar, type in Lili Bank app. As you begin to type, you might see a few suggestions pop up. Keep typing until you see Lili Bank app appear as a choice. It's crucial to ensure you're choosing the correct application, as there can sometimes be similar names or unrelated apps that pop up in the search results. Once you find the app, go ahead and click on it to open up its dedicated page. On the apps page, you'll see some details about the app, including ratings, reviews, and screenshots. Taking a moment to glance through these can be helpful to make sure it's exactly what you're looking for. When you're ready to install, look for the button that says either Install, Download, or it might have a little cloud icon with a downward arrow. This button will be prominently displayed, waiting for your command. Clicking Install or Download will initiate the process immediately. After you click that button, the download process will begin. The time it takes for the app to download and install can vary depending on your internet speed and the performance of your mobile device. Typically, it should only take a minute or two. You might want to ensure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid using up mobile data unnecessarily and to speed up the download. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice the Lili app icon appearing on your home screen or in your app drawer depending on your device settings. You can now tap on this icon to open the app for the first time. There will likely be a brief setup process where you can log in, create an account if you haven't already, or explore the app's features. And there you have it, a quick and hassle-free guide on downloading the Lili mobile app. Enjoy seamless integration into your financial management with Lili's array of helpful features. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.